Hello everyone, welcome. We've been working with negation in French in the last few episodes, and in this lesson we are going to continue with negation. Remember that the equivalent of not is ne pas, or the n apostrophe pas. The ellipsis represents a conjugated verb which is inserted between the ne pas, or you can think of it as you wrap the ne pas around the conjugated verb, either way. If the conjugated verb begins with a vowel, then you'll use the n apostrophe instead of the ne. So let's take a look at some examples. Je parle, I speak. If I want to negate this, if I want to say I don't speak, ne pas around the conjugated form of the verb, which is parle. Je ne parle pas. Je parle. Je ne parle pas. Je parle. Je ne parle pas. Another example, I work. Je travaille. Je ne travaille pas. Je travaille. Je ne travaille pas. So let's practice with she, the equivalent of she in French, which is elle. If I want to say she works, I would say elle travaille. Elle travaille. She doesn't work. Elle ne travaille pas. Elle travaille. Elle ne travaille pas. Elle travaille. Elle ne travaille pas. Remember, repeat as much as possible. The more you repeat, the more the language will flow, the more you will be fluent. The fluency really comes through practice, so practice as much as possible. She likes, elle aime, elle aime. She doesn't like, elle n'aime pas. Elle aime, elle n'aime pas. Elle aime, elle n'aime pas. She forgets, elle oublie. She doesn't forget. Elle n'oublie pas. Elle oublie, elle n'oublie pas. Elle oublie, elle n'oublie pas. She listens, elle écoute. She doesn't listen. Elle n'écoute pas. Elle écoute, elle n'écoute pas. That's it for this lesson. Thanks so much for watching. If you found it helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like. If you know of someone that might find this lesson helpful, please share. And thanks so much for watching. If you want to continue learning, click on the video that appears here on your screen to go to the next lesson. See you soon. À bientôt.